I think these are always car guys' favorite videos. That's right, exhaust videos. We're getting right into it today. I already have the STI up on the jack stands. I'm letting it cool off for just a second before we get started on the install, but take a look at this exhaust. This thing is absolutely insane looking. It is a full titanium catback. Very similar to the Tomei. I know the Tomei is a very popular option, but I kind of wanted to try something a little bit different, and so that's why I chose the Noble. It comes with the silencer just like the Tomei, but we won't be needing that. Hopefully we don't run into any issues today. I totally blanked and I didn't order the adapter for the stock downpipe to the 3-inch catback, but I think we can make it work temporarily until I get that adapter. But I was just so excited to get this exhaust installed today. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. These hangers, always the worst. Talk nice to me. Talk nice to me. It's huge. There we go. Woo! The factory mufflers are absolutely huge. Like, there's no need on a 4-cylinder that these mufflers need to be that big, but I guess I'm not the one that designs these cars, so. The only thing left to do is to get the factory mid-pipe off. It's like a mid-pipe, wide pipe, it's all one piece, but it's 2 bolts at the back. And then we'll get this off, and then we will get started on getting the new exhaust on. Oh, dude, they're both barbed like hangers. They got a big old resonator. So, as you can tell, the reason why these things are so quiet from the factory is you got 2 big old mufflers and a big old resonator. So we're about to fix that. So the Noble kit does not have a resonator, which might make it a little raspy, but we still have the stock downpipe, and there's 2 cats in the stock downpipe, so it should kind of quiet things up just a little bit. Then you have a really big muffler at the end. I need to clean off the titanium exhaust and then put some gloves on and start to install. So I kind of just went through and finished up the install. Catback exhausts are pretty easy to install, but I wanted to cut to the good part of what this actually sounds like. Honestly, not as loud as I thought it was gonna be. You can definitely hear the exhaust leak a little bit, but we'll fix that, don't worry. We're gonna get some flyby clips real quick. Brief intermission to hear this brand new Dark Horse. Alright bro, video over, that's it. We don't need to hear the stupid anymore.
Want me to rip it just from down there?
Yeah.
Out of my way.
Dude, both cars sound good. I mean, I think it sounds really good. It's not too loud. It's not like insanely quiet like the stock exhaust. It's got that nice Subi rumble. Obviously it doesn't sound as good as a Mustang, but here we are. What you think?
It's pretty good, but just a shifter.
Yeah.
It's like a little rubbery, you know?
Yeah, I know, I know.
Yeah. But no, it sounds.
Hey bro, you're used to 135.
Hey dude, again, it's not a 135, but just a shifter. It's like a little bit.
Yeah, well they make a kit for it.
Yeah.
So I'll probably get the kit.
Yeah, I would get it, dude. But she rips, man.
Yeah, dude.
Want me to pull it over?
Bro, you almost did some Mustang activities right there.
Yeah. This one?
Yo, give her some sauce. Hey bro, so much for braking miles.
I'm almost there, like 775.
Dude.
Close enough.
Close enough. He's been on the channel before, Tucson Speed. He used to have a red G87 M2. Unfortunately, he shared a similar fate to me, and he got rear-ended. But this is his new 2024 Mustang Dark Horse, and this thing is pretty sweet. Almost stock. The only thing he has done to it is a resonator dilly, I believe. But other than that, this thing is straight from the factory.
No way.
I love how you can see the single track up front and then the double track in the back.
That's crazy.
I realized that I kind of snaked you guys out of a cold start yesterday, so here it is. Jumping a little bit forward in the future here, we had our monthly Friday night meet here at the Detail Lounge. I didn't film a whole lot last night. I thought I'd film a little outro here. I did off camera, but I went ahead and I got the empty exhaust hole cover installed. It just installs with a couple of self-tappers, but I think it really makes the back end, it kind of cleans it up a little bit, makes it look more finished. So I'm super happy with the way it turned out, and the exhaust too. It is gotta be the perfect volume and sound and tone. If you're on a stock downpipe on the STI and even an aftermarket downpipe, I really recommend the Noble Titanium exhaust. I'll link both products down in the description, both the cover and the exhaust. They're both from Noble Performance. With that, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.